Good afternoon, everybody. Jim Sublette, otherwise known as Subby. Glad to have you guys here with us for the second episode of a four-part series in which we are talking about what creates thunderstorms, what ingredients are needed for the formulation of thunderstorms. So remember segment number one, we talked about moisture and what moisture is. So today we are going to talk about instability, what it is and how it's measured and how can we get more. So let's just jump right over to that. So atmospheric instability refers to the tendency of air parcels, just pockets of air, to rise or sink based on temperature differences. So an unstable atmosphere encourages vertical motion, leading to the development of cloud, precipitation, potentially severe weather. This occurs when the warm air near the surface rises because it's less dense than the surrounding air. So the way that we measure that is we take a look at data and we take a look at what the value of the CAPE is. CAPE. That stands for convective available potential energy. And that's kind of how we measure how much instability that the atmosphere has. And typically it's measured if you get somewhere around 600-700 joules per kilogram. That is how that energy is measured, is by joule per kilogram. You get 600 to 700 and you could have some thunderstorms, but during the springtime, early summer, we can see CAPE values as high as 6,000, where you know that the atmosphere is just primed for explosive thunderstorm development. So on our next segment, we're going to be talking about a lifting mechanism. What classifies as a lifting mechanism and how can this actually help for the formation of thunderstorms? So we hope you guys are enjoying this, and we'll catch you next time. Stay weather aware, and we'll be talking to you soon.